Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem She Dwelt Among the Untrodden Ways by William Wordsworth. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1800s edition of Lyrical Ballads. In this poem, poet laments the death of a beautiful and virtuous young woman named as Lucy. Poet mourns that Lucy didn't get the love and praise which she actually deserved. She remained unnoticed and isolated in English countryside. So this is the text of the poem. She dwelt among the untrodden ways, beside the springs of Dove, a maid whom there were none to praise and very few to love, a violet by a mossy stone half hidden from the eye, fair as a star when only one is shining in the sky. So when the poem opens, poet says that there was a young and beautiful lady Lucy who lived in English countryside, where only few people ever ventured to go or to visit this place, and she lived near the source of the Dove River in the center of England. She was a young and unmarried woman whom no one praised and appreciated. So poet, is unhappy that she didn't get that much praise and appreciation which she actually deserved. And she was loved only by a few people. Next, poet says that she lived a very secluded and isolated life in English countryside when only few people could ever meet her and could appreciate her virtues. Okay, so she lived a very secluded life in English countryside where only a few people could appreciate her virtues. She was like a beautiful violet flower hidden behind a huge rock. And then poet says that she was like a single star shining in the sky. She lived unknown and few could know when Lucy ceased to be, but she is in her grave and oh the difference to me. So in these lines, poet says that she was unknown by people when she lived and only few people could notice her death when she died. Okay, now poet says that at present she is lying in her grave and poet remembers her worth in his memory, and that makes a difference to him because poet knows her worth, and because poet has met her, and that's why she lives in poet's memory, and that's why poet says that it makes a difference to him. And here the poem ends.